Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. We're back now. This is flour, and now we're going to do 2 1/4 cups of flour. That's done to say. I'm not gonna make a mess, okay? 1, 2, 3. I got so much. We're doing a 1 teaspoon of salt now. Whoa. Hello guys. Now we are going to put some baking soda in. Now I'm going to show you a trick. There. Okay, we're back. Now we are going to do the 3/4 cups. This is the 3rd quarter cup. Now we're going to measure a 3/4 of brown sugar. And here it is. This looks like snow, and this looks like Valentina and dirt. Big lump of sugar. Whoa! This is the milk vanilla. We're going to do 1 teaspoon. I'm going to unwrap the butter and put it in here. 1, 2. The vanilla in there. Now I'm going to mix this up. Okay, we're back now. I am going to turn this on. Whoa. And now I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now we're going to crack these 2 eggs in there. Oh, yay! Okay, we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Add the other egg in. Add a little bit at a time, so when it mixes, it doesn't flow everywhere. I'm gonna put the rest of the dry ingredients in. Like that much. And there, please lock it, camera. Now I am going to dump this whole bag of chocolate chips. Whoa! Now I'm going to stir the chocolate chips in. Really seriously. Stirring. Since the cookie don't look yummy, but be careful. There's raw eggs in it. Eat it. You could get sick. Take this. Letting it out the side. Whoa! It really works. Hello guys. Well, now I am going to put another scoop. I already have. There. We put it in the oven for 375 degrees. 9 to 11 minutes. Whoa! I can't believe I just did that. It's time for the cookies to come out. And yay, the cookies are done, yay! This hat is sweaty, you know, camera. I'm gonna put this on you, camera. Okay, hello guys, it's Madeleine again, and today we're making some cupcake with chocolate and rainbows. So let's get started. First, I am going to throw this whole thing of mixture into here. So let me just open it up and then sprinkle the whole thing in there. But not the whole. There we go. Almost there. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to put some. Okay, we're back. Next is the vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna pour it in. Nice and easy. Make sure nothing spills like the other one. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to carefully hold it and then dump it in. Right? In there? Okay. Done. Now I am going to add the 3 eggs. So I have a little bowl here. I'm going to crack each egg in there. Okay, there we go. I don't want to get messy. Okay. Only a little bit messy, that's okay. Okay. What? Okay, now I'm going to pour this in. There we go. Now I'm going to do the other eggs, and then it's going to be all done. Get it in there, come on. Get it in there. Just quite good. What? Okay. Now pour this in. Okay, done. Carefully crack it open, Madeleine. Good, Madeleine. Now put the eggshell in there, Madeleine. Now dump this in. Okay. Okay, we're back. Now I'm gonna put some water in there. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now we're gonna do it with the mixture. Okay, now we're gonna start mixing. How do we turn it on? Whoa, the batter. Okay, now it's back. Now I'm gonna put some of these in there. Let me just do it by one. There we go. And done. Okay, now I'm going to put some batter in each one. Done? Yep. Okay, guys. Now I am going to taste some of this fudge to see if it's good. Good. Now we are going to put these in the oven for 300 minutes. Hello guys, now we're going to put these in the oven for 370 degrees.
For how long?
For how long? 11 minutes. Wow. They're doing good. Ooh. Hey, the cupcakes are done. Let's decorate. And guys, now we're going to almost decorate the cupcakes. Let me do this easy. We're done with our cupcakes! Yay! Yeah. And then there's no sin.